Naturally, the first thing he saw was the tall ragamuffin. Ragamuffin means a person in ragged and dirty clothes who had eased his way so close to the furnace that steam rose from his bed racks. See, naturally, the first thing he means the iron master. Sa was the tall ragamuffin. Ragamuffin means a person in ragged and dirty clothes. Who was the tall ragamuffin? The tall ragamuffin was the rat-trap sailor who had eased his way, who had easily come so close to the furnace that steam rose means came from his bed racks. Racks means torn cloths. He came so close to the furnace that steam came from his bed torn cloths. The iron master did not follow the example of the blacksmiths who had hardly designed means planned to look at the stranger. The stranger means the rat-trap sailor. See, the iron master was a different person. He did not behave with the rat-trap sailor as the blacksmiths had behaved. See, the iron master did not follow the example of the blacksmiths who had hardly designed. Design means planned to look at the stranger, to look at the rat-trap sailor. He walked close up to him, looked him over very carefully, then tore off his slouch hat to get a better view of his face. See, he means the iron master walked close up to him. Up to him means up to the rat-trap sailor. The iron master walked close up to the rat-trap sailor, looked him over very carefully, and the iron master looked the rat-trap sailor over very carefully. Then tore off. Tore off means removed forcefully his slouch hat. The iron master removed forcefully his slouch hat. Now what is slouch hat? See, this type of hat is slouch hat. Then tore off. Then the iron master removed forcefully his slouch hat to get a better view of his face, of the rat-trap sailor's face, and the iron master removed his slouch hat to see the face of the rat-trap sailor clearly. But of course it is you, Nils Olof, he said. How you do look. Here, the iron master seemed to be recognizing the rat-trap sailor as Niels Olof. See the line? But of course, it is you, Niels Olof. He said, how you do look, how dirty you look. He said that the rat trap sailor looked very dirty. The man with the rat traps had never before seen the Iron Master at Ramsjo and did not even know what his name was. See, the Iron Master was totally unknown to the rat trap sailor. See the line? The man with the rat traps, the rat trap sailor, had never before seen the Iron Master at Ramsjo and did not even know what his name was. The rat trap sailor did not know even the name of the Iron Master. But it occurred to him that if the fine gentleman thought he was an old acquaintance, he might perhaps throw him a couple of kroner. See, what a greedy person the rat trap sailor was. See the line? But it occurred to him, it came to his mind that if the fine gentleman, who is the fine gentleman? The Iron Master. But it occurred to him, but it came to his mind, it came to the rat trap sailor's mind that if the fine gentleman, if the Iron Master thought he means the rat trap sailor, was an old acquaintance. Acquaintance means familiar person, known person. He might perhaps, he means the Iron Master, might perhaps throw means here give him a couple of kroner. Therefore, he did not want to undeceive him all at once. See the line? Therefore, he means the rat trap sailor did not want to undeceive him means the Iron Master all at once. See, the sentence is double negative. That's why the meaning will be positive. See the sentence. Therefore, he means the rat trap sailor wanted to deceive him means the Iron Master all at once, because the rat trap sailor was a greedy person. He thought that he might get a couple of kroner from the Iron Master. In this way, the rat trap sailor was again ready to be caught in the trap of greediness.